Dealership just tried to charge me $3,900 for the great job, so I bought premium parts instead. Grab these tools and I will show you the quick way to get this simply done. First thing first, crack the lugs, get the car on the jack stand, and slide the wheel under the frame for safety. Remove the caliper pins. Pop off the anti-rattle clip. Push the brake pistons inside with the old pads. You can use a flathead to remove the sensor from the pad and through the line. Use an impact or a breaker bar to crack the caliper bolts. Before removing the bolt entirely, keep the punchy cord or a zip tie ready to hang the caliper. Everything was going smoothly until the ultimate DIY nightmare. The set screw was rusted and ultimately stripped. I fought this thing for a few hours. I tried drilling, chiseling. Eventually I had to snap the screw with brute force. If you had to absolutely destroy that little set screw, do not panic. You don't actually need a new one to drive the car. That screw does not hold your brakes together. Its only real job is to hold the rotor flat against the hub so it doesn't fall off on the factory assembly line. Once your wheel is mounted and those 5 lug bolts are torqued down, that massive clamping force is what actually secures the rotor to the hub. And the screw stump remained. If you ever get stuck on this exact nightmare, I made a 60-second short showing the quickest way to extract it. Link is in the description. With the old junk off, take a wire brush or drill to the hub. If you skip this, your new rotor won't sit flush and your brakes will vibrate. Slide on the fresh Zimmerman rotor. Clean the caliper pistons. This is optional, but if you want, you can put some brake lubricant. Just be cautious the lubricant doesn't go on the rotor or on the other side of the pad. Attach the sensor to the inner pad. Wire brush the caliper pins and the anti-rattle clip. The only catch here is without that set screw, the heavy rotor might spin a bit when you lift your wheel up. Just look through the rim, line up the holes, thread your first lug bolt in by hand to lock it all in, and you're good to go. You can add the new set screw whenever you swap the wheels next time. Driver side took 4 hours because of that stuck that screw, but with my strategy dialed in, the passenger side took exactly 1 hour. For the passenger side, I didn't even bother fighting that screw. I went straight to my extraction method and had it out in 30 seconds. If you are currently stuck in your driveway fighting this exact screw, I made a dedicated 60-second shot showing exactly how to pull it out. Link is down in the description. One final massive warning, because we are using this specific Ikebono pad and Zimmerman rotor setup, there is no bidding procedure required. Hard braking will actually ruin the setup. Rotor off, new parts on, and talk to specs in record time. If this saved you a massive dealership bill, hit subscribe for more. See you in the next one.